Okay, class, resource book page 8. Today we are going to talk about the chain rule. Okay, so this is the second part of differentiation. First, our task and our only task is to differentiate a function like this. So you realize that this function got a bracket power 7 and it got quite a complicated term in the middle inside the bracket. So in order to help us to differentiate this, what we can do is we can let u be equals to 3x squared plus 2x. So y is actually equals to u to the power of 7. So far okay? Whereby u is actually 3x squared plus 2x. So we are going to break this down into two parts. So the first part is I'm going to du over dy. What do you think? Dx. For this equation, I can only du over dx. So what will I get? 6, bring down the power minus 1. Bring down the power minus 1. Now, I can dy over dy. Yes, I can only dy over du, bring down the power minus 1. Okay, something very interesting about differentiation. You can actually treat it a bit like algebra like that. Okay, it does work, but I'm not going to explain in detail how it works. But it goes like this. I want to have dy dx, right? You look at the original equation. This is the original one in blue, the blue arrow. So this is the original equation. I will dy dx, right? So you will need to know this in the later chapter under rate of change. So please know how to do this. So I have a dy on top and I have a dx below. Correct? It's still dy dx, right? So in terms of simple algebra, what is the condition of these two here? Yeah, the condition is that these two terms, whatever term it is, must be the same term, right? So what do you think I will put here? It must be the same term. du and du. There. I got du dx. There. I got dy du. I got. So I need to multiply them, right? So first, dy du will be this one. Yeah, this one you must focus. 7u power 6. 7u power 6. But I don't want the u. I sub back the u here. 7u power 6 times du dx 6x plus 2. Okay, put it in proper form like this. Okay. Now, do you realize you can factorize out the 2 also? So this one becomes 14. Okay, if you want, you can write this. I'm not very fussy over the final form, but I expect you to write it neatly. I take out the 2, factorize out the 2, factorize out the 2. So I got 3x. I factorize out the 2. And I have this. Okay, so I'm not fussy about power 6. So I'm not fussy about whether is this the final form or whether is this the final form, but I need you all to group, okay, the terms properly in a way. So I will write y equals to 3x squared plus 2x power 7. So the trick goes like this. dy dx equals to, listen, bring down the power. I'll write it out later for you. Bring down the power and then the power minus 1. Something missing, right? Differentiate the inside. So bring down the power minus 1, differentiate the inside. And we are done. Yeah, same question. Bring down the power power minus 1. Okay. Differentiate the inside. Okay, can we say it together? Then I'll write it down. Number 1, what do you do? Bring down the power. Not new, Next, power minus 1. And the new thing is differentiates the inside. The inside means inside the bracket. Okay, so this is what we always say when we do our homework. Okay, that's all for this video.